Mom, I'm heading out for a while. I need to go to the market and pick up a few things.
Right now? It's already getting a bit late. What do you need to buy?
It won't take long, I promise. I just need to grab some essentials and maybe look around a little.
Okay. Do you have enough money with you?
Yeah, I already have some cash with me and I also have my card, so I'll be fine.
Still, take a little extra just in case. You never know when you might need it.
All right, give it to me then. I'll keep it in my bag.
And don't forget to keep your phone charged. Call me if you're going to be late.
I will. Don't worry so much. I'm not going that far.
And don't skip eating something. You always say you'll eat outside and then come back hungry.
Okay. I'll eat something this time. Happy?
I'll be happy when you actually do it.
Fine. I'll prove you wrong today.
Good. And come back safely.
Of course. I'm just booking a cab now. I'll leave in a minute.
All right. Take care. Bye, Mom.
Mom, I think I'll just walk to the main road and get something from there. It's not that far anyway.
No, you're not going like that. It's already getting busy outside and you'll end up getting tired before you even reach the market.
It's okay. I don't mind walking. I actually feel like getting some fresh air.
Fresh air is fine, but not when you have to carry bags on your way back, so just be sensible and book a cab from here.
I mean, it just feels unnecessary to spend money on a cab for such a short distance.
It's not unnecessary. It's about convenience and safety, and I'll feel much better knowing that you reached properly without any hassle.
All right, if you're saying so much, I'll book one, but only because you won't stop insisting.
Yes, exactly. Sometimes you should just listen instead of arguing for no reason.
Fine, I'm booking it right now. Happy?
I'll be happy when you sit inside the cab and message me that you're on your way.
Okay, it's booked. It says the driver will be here in 3 minutes.
Are you Jenny?
Yes, that's me. Sorry if I kept you waiting even for a minute.
Not at all. I just arrived. Could you please share the OTP so we can start the trip?
Sure, it's 6381.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Thanks.
So, where exactly in the market do you want to go? It's a big area, and there are multiple entry points.
You can just drop me near the main entrance. I'll walk from there, depending on where I need to go.
All right, that works. The traffic might slow us down a little, but I'll try to keep it smooth.
That's completely fine. I'm not in a hurry. I just didn't want to deal with the crowd while walking.
You made the right choice then, because it's quite crowded today, and walking would have been exhausting.
Yeah, that's exactly what my mom was saying before I left, but I was still thinking of walking.
Mothers are usually right about these things. They think ahead.
That's true. I guess I should listen more often.
We're almost there now. Just a minute more.
That was actually quicker than I expected.
Here we are.
Thank you. That was a smooth ride.
Thank you. Have a great time at the market.
Thanks. You too.